Hello mga ka-trending, welcome back to ZK Trend. Hanggang ngayon nga ay patuloy pa rin ang pag-uugnay ni Donnie Pangilinan kay Liza Soperano ang ilang mga netizens. Nang dahil lang sa isang larawan na wala namang basihan kung bakit may pa-issue kaagad sa kanila. Ayon pa sa ilang komento ay super bagay umano sina Donnie at Liza, kapwa 28 ang edad at bagay pa umano ang height. Kino-compare nga nila ito kay Bel Mariano kaya naman ang mga fans nga ay kaagad ngang napakomento at syempre dinipensahan si Bel Mariano. Kahit pa i-ship sina Donnie at Belle sa iba ay wala namang problema at hindi din masama. Ngunit hindi din makatarungan na kada ship nila sa iba si Donnie ay may pangyayaring compare-compare kay Belle Mariano. Hindi ba pwede na mag-ship nang hindi nilalait si Belle? Super bait ni Belle, walang ka-issue-issue at wala kang maririnig na pumatol nga sa mga bashers. At kapag pumatol ang mga fans, kagad sasabihin na toxic at lahat inaaway. Siyempre bilang fans ay didepensahan talaga si Belle Mariano sa abot ng makakaya. Sadyang marami lang ang madumi ang utak at kung makapang-bash kay Belle ay super wagas. Friends ni Donnie si Liza, may boy na friends din si Belle. Both of them deserve peace. Tao sila na may kanya-kanyang buhay. Pwede nilang gawin anumang gusto nilang gawin ang hindi magkasama. Pumunta sa kung saan man nila gusto. May tiwala sina Donnie at Belle sa isa't isa at panigurado at the end of the day, takbuhan pa rin ng Don Bell ang isa't isa. At ayon nga dito sa ilang komento, whether we like it or not, seeing them have friendly hangs with others is part of our new normal now. It's inevitably part of the growth they want for themselves, and it's about time we accept that fact. There's really nothing wrong with it. It only becomes toxic when people overanalyze their interactions, make assumptions, push their own interpretation, or react negatively to something that doesn't need to be an issue. Let's drown out the noise. We know better. Crazy how others think when they hang out with others, it's going to be another issue. Actually, sila nagbibigay ng ideas sa mga trolls accounts to make stupid drama out of it. Palitan yung mindset nyo, hanggang ngayon sobrang toxic pa din. Maybe this is what we're learning to unlearn. Seeing one primarily through the other, they can have a strong foundation with each other and still have whole lives and identities of their own. I think there's something beautiful about giving them the space to be that too. Ayun pa dito. Some of you here who are living double lives in GCs and behind trolls accounts are apparently also bringing your nonsense on Reddit, creating issues out of nothing. He's always been friends with Anne, and their circle has always been closely moving in the same radius. Huwag ipilit gawa ng issue ang wala naman. Touch some grass. Dagdag pa nito, and he has never chased anyone for clout. He worked hard for his name now, and he works with materials and projects that are aligned with his vision as an artist. Tigilan niyo siya, let him live and breathe in peace.